Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a Canva Pro 30-day free trial so you can unlock all the premium design tools and templates absolutely free for a whole month. By the end of this video, you'll be set up and ready to take your projects to the next level using Canva Pro with zero risk and no upfront cost. So let's jump right in and get you started. First up, open your favorite web browser and head over to google.com. I always recommend starting from Google just to make sure you land on the official, secure Canva site. Saves you from accidentally clicking on an ad or a lookalike site. So in the search bar, go ahead and type Canva Pro. That's going to bring up a list of results, and right at the top you should see Canva's official website. It usually just says Canva. Visual Suite for Everyone or something similar with the Canva.com address underneath. Click on that official site. Now when Canva's homepage loads, take a second to look around, make sure it looks like what you expect. You should see the familiar blue and white branding, and there'll likely be highlights about Canva Pro's features, such as premium templates, one-click background removers, and brand kits. This is a good way to double-check you've landed in the right place before going any further. Next, look for a button or link that says something like Start Your Canva Pro Trial. Sometimes it's up in the top right corner or featured on the main page itself. Canva makes it pretty visible, especially for new users. Go ahead and click that. Just a quick note, this option is really meant for first-timers. If you've already used a free trial before on your email or account, you might not see the same option, or you might get prompted to subscribe directly instead. Now you'll be prompted to select a way to log in, or if you're brand new to Canva, to sign up for a free account. You'll usually get a choice between signing in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or simply with your email address. Choose whatever's easiest for you. If you want to keep your design work under your personal email, go with that. If you prefer the convenience of a social login, that works too. When you've made your pick, just click Next to move forward in the process. Now comes the key step for activating your Pro trial. You'll have to enter a payment method. This is standard for most free trials. It lets Canva know you're a real person and ensures your Pro access will continue smoothly if you decide to keep the service after 30 days. Go ahead and grab your credit card for this part. If you don't have one on hand, some debit cards might work as well, but credit cards are the most reliable. Just fill in the details as prompted. Don't worry, you won't be charged during your trial period, but it's how Canva sets up your subscription in case you choose to go Pro long-term. Once you've completed that, voila, you're now set up with Canva Pro and have full access for the next 30 days. You can start using advanced editing tools, premium stock photos, and tons of extra resources right away. Remember, you're not locked in. If for any reason you decide Canva Pro isn't for you, make sure to cancel before the trial is up to avoid any charges. But for now, you're all set to explore and get creative. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about the process or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I always do my best to help out. And if you want more step-by-step tech and design tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.